Hey guys, I'm Ben.
And I'm Roxy.
And together we are So Vegan. And in this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to make our delicious 5-ingredient deep pan pizza from our debut cookbook, So Vegan in 5.
This recipe is indulgent and ridiculously satisfying. And most importantly, it uses only 5 ingredients to make it, so it's super easy. What more could we want?
And the 5 ingredients are, we have plain flour, we've got some fast action dried yeast, we've got some fresh basil, some tomato puree, and some vegan mozzarella cheese. So start by adding 230 grams of plain flour to a large mixing bowl, along with
a teaspoon of fast action dried yeast and half a teaspoon of salt, which is one of our pantry ingredients. And we're just going to give it a stir in the mixing bowl.
Now create a well in the middle and pour in 150 ml of tepid water, along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, another one of our pantry ingredients, and use a spoon to mix everything together into a sticky ball. Next, simply flour a surface, transfer the dough to it, and knead it for 5 minutes. Make sure you add pinches of flour as you go to stop the dough sticking to your hands or the surface.
Now the dough's ready, we're going to pop it in a mixing bowl and cover it with a tea towel. So we're going to leave the dough to prove now for an hour or until it doubles in size, ideally somewhere warm. Great, so the dough is now doubled in size. So we're going to gently punch the dough to remove the air. And now we're going to transfer it to a really well floured surface and roll it out to a circle that's about 35 centimeters wide.
Lightly grease an oven-proof pan, transfer the dough on top of it so it covers the base and falls slightly over the edges. Next, we're going to prepare the simple and delicious sauce. Start by chopping a small handful of fresh basil and adding it to a mixing bowl. Then add 150 grams of tomato puree, 80 ml of cold water, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, which is another one of our pantry ingredients, and a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Stir the sauce to combine it, then spoon that delicious and vibrant tomatoey sauce all over the pizza base and use the back of a spoon to spread it out evenly.
Trim any excess dough that's hanging over the edge of the pan. And now we're going to gently fold the sides in on themselves to create a really thick and scrumptious crust. Next, we're going to top the pizza with 150 grams of vegan mozzarella.
Simply slice the mozzarella about 1 centimeter thick and spread it out evenly on top of the sauce. And when you're ready, bake the pizza in a preheated oven at about 220 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 25 minutes or until the crust turns a lovely golden brown.
Oh, here it comes. The pizza is looking fantastic. So we're just going to finish off with a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, which is one of our pantry ingredients. Top with a few grinds of pepper and garnish with a few basil leaves. Absolutely delicious.
I mean, this looks and smells absolutely phenomenal. It just reminds me of being at uni and just like scoffing my face with as much Chicago-style deep pan pizza as possible.
Classic uni lifestyle, hey?
Yeah, fond memories.
And do you remember when we developed it for the book, we tried it on all our friends and they all absolutely loved it. And I'm so chuffed we managed to get it developed in only 5 ingredients.
Yeah, it was a resounding success.
Yeah.
The tomato puree just makes it so rich. It's indulgent. You know what? And it's just really easy. I think this is probably my new favourite way to make pizza.
Yeah, and it's so fresh, handmade, amazing.
Yeah, job done. High five.
Yeah, nailed it. So there you have it, our epic 5-ingredient deep pan pizza recipe from our debut cookbook, So Vegan in 5.
Which is available at all Easons, so visit easons.com for more information.